Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be like a daily vlog, clean with me, do laundry with me, see what I do in a day kind of thing. So my bed looks like I'm crazy because I'm washing my sheets and then I'm gonna wash my comforter because my allergies have been on an all-time high and I was actually doing better, but I think it's because Julie's been like sleeping on my bed. So I'm washing my sheets and then I'm going to get rid of this. Julie, I'm going to get rid of this, which I bought on Groupon about 100 years ago. My cousin Darieli told me about this, and it literally feels like you're sleeping on a cloud. It is the best investment. I think it was literally like 60 or 50 bucks, and I've had it for over 5 years, and it is very, very comfortable. I'm actually might buy another one, but this one is already getting like messed up there. I think it's my cat, but so I'm gonna buy another one, throw this one out. And speaking of the devil, and then I'm going to just clean my room all in its entirety, and dust and everything, and you guys are more than welcome to join me. Okay, so first and foremost, I'm gonna drink water. This is the Brita. This is a water bottle that I use while in my house, and this is the one that I use while I'm at work because it reminds me to drink water. It says like the times and all that, and this is, I got it from Amazon, and it's just keeps close, so it's sanitary while I'm at work, so I like it. So my goal for 2021 is to drink more water, because I absolutely suck at drinking water. So I also really hate water. So hopefully I'll be done by at least 4 o'clock. It's actually 2:20 now when I'm waking up. If I don't sleep for 12 hours, I'm grouchy all day. FYI. Alright, now I'm going to take a nasal decongestion and some Claritin to see if it makes me feel a little bit better. These are Julie's favorite treats. These are in turkey and cranberries, but she loves everything chicken. She thinks my kitchen's enemies. I have zero self-control with Julie, and she knows it. It's either all or nothing. Julie, the mommy. I said Julie, the mommy. She eats so fast. When she was a baby, she barely ate. She's a mama. She's also a baba. Julie, dile. So my saints of a dad got rid of my foam already as soon as I told him. The only thing is that it left all these foam pieces on this. This is like a mattress cover. It just helps prevent like dust and like mites or bed bugs, like chinchas. I bought this on Amazon 100 years ago, but I'm just gonna take it off my mattress and just wash it. So more fun stuff to do today. All right, so I have very bad eczema. I have had bad eczema since I was a child. My skin always cracks and breaks. Like right here, I'm healing that. I had to take off all my rings. I wash my hands a lot at work, and I wash my hands with cold water, and I take a shower with cold water. But still this happens, and so I bought a few creams. This one I got in Sephora, just got my package. I had gotten a 1 ounce. This is a 3 ounce. I got a 1 ounce like as a 100 point perk, and it was really good on my hands. The main ingredient in this one is cocoa oatmeal, which really helps calm it, and it doesn't make it itchy or like burning or anything like that. But I also bought these in Ulta. This one is the CeraVe Eczema Relief Oil Creamy Oil. It also has cocoa oatmeal as the main ingredient, so technically these are very similar. This is $18 and this is maybe like $15, I think. So they're similar in price, but these were like buy one get one 50% off on Ulta. So I also bought this one so I can like carry my work bag. This one's also 3 ounces, and this one contains petroleum, which is basically like Vaseline. So this is like Vaseline, oatmeal. I also forgot to mention I bought this Aveeno Restorative Skin Therapy Itch Relief Balm. This one contains, it's just like an analgesic. which just helps like the itching and all that stuff. So this one I also bought. As you can tell, it was a bad night for me where I just bought a million things. But I'll let you know how these things work out for me. This says that if you use it for a whole week, it improves your skin, and I have seen some improvement. Like, if you can't believe it, it was worse than this. So I also got this Kaja lipstick, even though no one's seen our lips now with masks, because look how cute it is. It's like a little heart. I don't know why it's not focusing. The color is so pretty. Look at that. It's like perfect, right up my alley. And as a like free thing for spending money, I got this Illa lip oil, which surprisingly looks literally the exact same color as the Kaja. So I don't usually eat food until dinner. I don't really get hungry, but my mom's almost coming home, so I'm just gonna make some waffles. I love Mickey Mouse, so when I saw these, I had to get them. Because if not, she's gonna freak out and get mad. Look how cute. And so I'm gonna make 2 waffles so she knows that I ate. Alright, I have my soda. Don't worry, I'm still drinking my water. Put some syrup. And watching Big Bang Theory. I always watch like Prison Break, Big Bang Theory, Friends, like over and over and over again. It just makes me feel like my life is together. I don't know, because I already know what's gonna happen. I'm also gonna put some bananas in here because I love bananas and I like to eat everything with bananas. So my parents always have them, either a shake or like with food. I don't know, with everything. Break time. This is my dinner. It's chuleta, pork chops, white rice, some lettuce, and avocado. Yay. I just woke up. I took a nap and Julie's still sleeping. And I have yet to clean all of this, but I'm gonna go and have a snack. And then I'll continue this, and then I'll finish my bed, and then I'll sweep and mop the floor. I need a treat. So everything that I drink is in one of these cups that's called a jarro. They sell it in Dominican Republic and in some places here. So I have them in all sizes because it's my favorite, and my goddaughter's mom always buys me. So these are my favorite ice creams. Talenti is amazing, and this is the Pacific Coast pistachios. I also love the crunch, like caramel crunch. And this is my favorite ice cream also. It's the Haagen-Dazs Spirits Rum Tres Leches ice cream. It is delicious, and I mix them together, and then I put some rainbow sprinkles in it, and sometimes if I have some whipped cream, I put that in also. And then I sit down and I eat it, and I don't usually like cake and stuff, so I usually eat this. Pistachio is also my dad's favorite, which is why I always buy it. And I love sprinkles, so don't judge. Thanks. So I'm just gonna mix this up, and I like it to melt a little bit. And I'm not gonna lie, I've never been able to eat the entire pint of ice cream. Like, that pint probably lasts me like 2 weeks. Like, this is how much ice cream I eat. I've never been able to finish a pint. I don't know, I'm whack. I don't know what to tell you. I just saw that I had gotten this from Sephora, and these are like glass reusable straws, and then this is to clean them. And look how cute the little packet that they come in. I used my points for this, and it's such a cute thing, even for traveling or if you want to keep it in your bag. They're like glass straws, reusable. So cute. Alright guys, this is the final product. Everything is nice and clean. The floors, that's where Julie sleeps. I need to find a place to put my bags. I have them everywhere. Maybe put some clips over here or some hooks. That box is my goddaughter's Christmas gift, which is a huge car, but she's in DR still. And my sheets are nice and clean. I can't wait to take a shower and sleep in them today. This drawer is driving me crazy. It won't close. I don't know what's wrong with it. There's nothing wrong with the hinges. It's not over full. The top and the bottom are not over full, so I don't know why that happens. But this is disinfected. I put my towel on my heater because when I take a shower, it's nice and warm, and I don't need like a heater to warm up my towels, which is like $100. I don't need it because I just put it on top of my heater, and then it's so warm when I come out of the shower. And yes. Thank you guys so much for spending the day with me and cleaning with me, and I hope you guys have a beautiful night. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.